Right, welcome back to episode 5 of this series. I have here the part I painted the other day. That was yesterday. Like I say, I've got a week off work, so I'm going to have a few days in here doing a lot of stuff. And this is the part anyway. I like the finish. I'll probably sand it back, put another couple of coats on anyway. Just tester this was, so I like that. So that might be good for the frame. Like I said, I've got all these parts here that I need to clean up and prep. As for this, I was going to strip the paint off, hence getting some paint stripper. So I'm going to have a go at that now, and then I've got some parts coming. Well, I say parts, tools this time really. This is part of my zinc plating kit. I've got 4 buckets now, 3 here, 1 under there. I've got, where I ended up put, oh here we are, soldering gun for when I come to the loom. So that's good. Got a new number plate. And we've got this here, which is a hot staple gun. You got all the staples in here that you can use to repair your fairings and whatnot with. And here's the machine that you use to use. And you just clip the ends off of the pliers provided, and you're golden. So hopefully this will sort out my headlamp. This will be one of the jobs this week. Let's go back then. There we go. So yeah, some decent tools coming. Can't find any panel wire. Must be loads of people doing loads of projects or something during this lockdown. But I do have isopropyl alcohol, is it? Whatever it is. Got some of that somewhere, got a big tub of that. So I can use that. So I'm going to use that. But anyway, let's crack on. Oh, before we do so, just like to say, you've got loads of all these parts, grips, servicing, vacuum pipes, loads of stuff, loads. So hopefully the bike should be finished soon. The only thing I do need to get now really is decide what colour I want to paint the frame. It's going to be black. I mean, like, whether it's going to be satin or gloss. I had gloss last time, which I did like, but this part here is satin, and I do like the look of it. So I might go satin. Right, had a bit of a mare. This is my side stand switch. Try and take the arm off that clips onto the side stand, and the pin snapped inside it. So I'm going to have to drill that out. Where did that come from? That come from there. Yeah, that come from in there. So this is the gasket. And that's all it is. It's a little sliding contact, whatever you call them. Get that out, get that off. That should pop off. Right, so it has a ball bearing in there with a spring. So this I need to drill out as best as I can, and I'll get these prepped for paint. So back to the drill. Ooh, well, there's the top yoke. Still bits and bobs left on. I could sand them back, but it doesn't look like a bad finish underneath really. I'm surprised the paint stuck to it. Didn't stick that well. It started cracking, but whatever. I think I'll sand all that back and get a nice brush finish to it, which I'll probably do the same with the clip-on handlebars as well. That'll look nice. If you look around here, I've got some nice bits painted up as well. I did a little boo-boo, dropped me a reservoir mid-paint. Like this, all in it. And so that's why I'm covered in crap. So I've got the mirrors done, loom clip done, the clip-on mounts done, throttle cable mounts done, the seat mounts done, and this side stand switch cover done, which is here, which is the one you saw me do in the video. It's turned out absolutely amazing, I think. A lot better than it was anyway. So there's them. I've got left to do, I've got the bottom yoke, which I'll probably just paint black anyway, just because that's what colour it came out, so might as well do that. And then the fork legs themselves, got them to paint, but that'll be another video. Other videos, like plastics and lights, fixing them, that kind of stuff, making sure nothing's going to break again. There's all brackets for the rear brakes, they need painting. Swing arm frame for the seat unit, that needs painting. Start motor needs polishing really. Engine needs painting. The fuel pump, that'll need sorting. I'll check that over as well, so that's another video for that, so I can check them, check the state of that. That can be another good video. The coils again, I'll do that. I'm going to do the carburetor video again because that audio is a bit shit on there. There's a plating video coming. There's also polishing the header and the rest of the exhaust. That's another good video coming. Bearings for the swing arm and the shock link, that'll be coming. So yeah, I'm going to try to restore my radiator as well, because that would take the budget over the top as well. So I'm just going to see if I can restore that and get a couple of darts or something to pull the fins out. It's going to take me fucking ages, I know, and then paint it. But I don't know whether to go silver or black. Probably go black. What else is there? Like switch gear, go through them. Another decent video there. I'm just trying to do all these videos to help people out that otherwise wouldn't be able to, be able to afford getting them done by a garage, because they can be expensive. So most of these things will be across the ZX9R range. I don't know. You have to, if you join the ZX-9R.net forum, there's loads of information on there. It's where I get my information to do my valve clearances, which will be another video. And carb rebuild. You've got all the manuals, all the pictures, everyone on there gives you a good hand. So yeah, it's a lot of good videos that I can get from all the how-tos from there. So hopefully that'll help a few people out who can't be able to read. So there's that. But the worst one will be, for me, getting the plastics looking new, because I don't know how to do that. But there is a how-to on the. I haven't read through it, so I'm not that kind of guy who read through silly stuff like that. But how to get plastics back to oil on ZX-9R. It's not that you want to, but there you go. Probably just a laugh of what post anyway. So yeah, there's loads of stuff that I still need to do, but at least things are being restored now, so that's a good thing. So anyway, thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe.